In this video, we will learn how to use join function in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have here some first name and last name. So I'm going to use here the join function to join together the both name. So let's start how it's done. I first select here the cell and press the is equal to. Then I write here the join. Here the select the join function. Then use the delimiter double quote space double quote then comma. Then select the first name, then use the comma again and select the last name and bracket close and just enter. Here you see the suggested autofill show here in Google Sheet. Just click on OK and here you see all data is added. All name is added with the space. If you want the hyphen between the two name, so you can use it. Just double click on your formula and you can use the hyphen between the delimiter. So I just use here hyphen in between the double quote and just enter and drag this formula below this cell. Here you see the in all name have a hyphen. So here you see I have a three column uppercase, lowercase and proper case. So here I want to convert this name in uppercase, lowercase and proper case. So I am using here the upper function, lower function and proper function. Okay, so I show you how it's used. I is equal to, I enter the here upper in bracket. I select this name and bracket closed and click on the autofill. Here you see all letter is uppercase. Same as here I use the lower function. Select this name and bracket close and just enter. Click on the autofill. Same here you see the all lowercase letter. In proper case I use the is equal to proper and select this name and bracket close and just enter. Click on the autofill. Here you see the first letter is a caps and other letter is a small letter. It is showing the proper name. This is a I used here the proper function. So this is a way you can use the uppercase, lowercase and proper case. So now I want to use the join function with the uppercase function and join function with the lower and join function with the proper function. So I used both combined function to get the same result. So I just delete this all data and here I just hide this column. Okay, then I use is equal to upper. Okay, then I use the join in bracket delimiter double quote space double quote comma. Then I use the first name, then use the comma, then I use the last name, bracket close, enter and click on the autofill. Here you see we get uppercase letter with the joined letter also. I joined both and with the upper letter. Same as here I use first lower. If you want the lowercase name, then use the join function, then use the delimiter double quote and comma. Use the first name comma, then last name bracket close, enter. Same is the click on the autofill. Here you see the all lowercase name with the join is get. Same as if you want the proper case, use the proper function, then use the your join function, use the delimiter double quote space double quote comma, select the first name then comma, select the second name and bracket close. Click on the autofill. So this is a way you can get join and your uppercase, lowercase and proper case letter. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.